In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a list in Microsoft To Do. If you're coordinating groceries, a team project, or a simple household checklist, sharing a list lets everyone see the same tasks and contribute in one place. This walkthrough works on Microsoft To Do for Windows, the desktop app, and the web version, and the steps look and feel the same across those platforms. Start by opening Microsoft To Do and navigating to the exact list you want to collaborate on. It's important to open the individual list first because you only share the list that's currently in view, not your entire account. At the top of that list, look for the Share button. Depending on your version, it may look like a person with a plus sign or a small share arrow. Click it to open the sharing options. Next, choose Create Invitation Link. Microsoft To Do will generate a unique link for this list. Click Copy Link, and you're ready to send it out. Paste the link into an email, a chat, a Teams message, or any app you prefer for communicating, then send it to the people you want to collaborate with. You can share the same link with multiple people, and it's a good idea to add a short note so recipients know what the list is for. When someone receives your message, they just click the link and accept the invite. Once they do, they'll see the shared list in their Microsoft To Do and can view or edit tasks alongside you. All changes sync for everyone, so updates are reflected in real time. After you've shared the list, you're still in control. Open the Share menu on that list anytime to manage access. If you need to stop sharing, choose Stop Sharing, and the link will no longer work. If you want to keep the current collaborators but prevent anyone new from joining with the link you already sent, select the option to limit access so only existing members remain. A few quick tips as you collaborate. Share links only with people you trust, since anyone who joins through the link can work on the tasks. Consider naming tasks clearly and adding due dates or notes to avoid confusion as multiple people contribute. And that's it. You open the list, create and copy the invite link, send it, and manage access later if needed. With this simple workflow, Microsoft To Do makes group task management straightforward and secure.